bed bugs.
How dare you insect? How dare you interrupt?
This is the bathroom. Now watch out, we got some bad roaches here. Hey, you're on our turf, man.
So I got this comment on one of my Aprehend videos explaining how Aprehend works to kill bed bugs. Well, buddy, I'm going to use you for content, so thank you. So you're complaining that you have to call somebody to use it. Okay. Well, you have to have a special application device, a sprayer, in order to put it out correctly, because it has to be applied in a specific manner or it's not going to do the job. Plus, it's very expensive. And the big thing here is you don't know what you're doing. The chemical, the product, the killer, the active ingredient is only half of the solution to any bug problem or pest problem. The other half is the knowledge of how to use it, the knowledge about the insect, their biology, all those kind of things. It's not just putting some stuff in a tank and squirting it around. It's a lot more than that. Now, the other aspect to it as to why it's just not available to everybody is because it's dangerous until it settles. How many people don't read the labels on things before they use them? Especially pesticides, Raid or Home Defense or any of those kind of things. It's required by law for you to read them. And a lot of people screw it up, and at the minimum, they don't get the results they're looking for, and sometimes they get people sick. And there have been instances of people dying because they used stuff improperly, didn't follow the label, didn't do what they were supposed to, didn't put it out in the amount or where or how that they were supposed to, and they hurt people. So, yeah, there's a couple things that you're just not going to be able to get your hands on because you don't have the training. You don't know what you're doing. Now, if you get the training, you get the experience, you get the knowledge, wear it out, man. Do it yourself. But the reality is these days especially, most people don't pay attention. They don't follow directions. They don't do things the way they're supposed to. They overmix things. They misapply things. And people get hurt. That's why you don't have access to certain products. Now, this product, if you use it incorrectly and you breathe it in, you don't use the right kind of respirator or mask or whatever, this stuff is activated by moisture. Guess what's in your lungs, buddy boy? Moisture. So you want this stuff growing in your lungs? You want a fungus growing in your lungs? That sounds pretty bad to me. So, I'm sorry that you can't get stuff. It sounds like you're probably having a problem with bed bugs. My advice, and you're probably nowhere near me, is call a professional. Some stuff you can do yourself. This ain't one of them. Most people that call me about bed bugs have already tried something and failed, and that's why they are calling me. It is possible to get rid of bed bugs with stuff that you have access to, materials. But remember, it better be a teeny weeny infestation, and you better be crazy diligent about doing things correctly. Otherwise, you're going to fail at it. It can be done, but most people don't have the knowledge or the time or the patience to deal with it. And that's why. Listen, you give me all the tools at Napa Auto Parts and roll me under my bug truck and give me the manual for it, and every YouTube video on the planet tells me how to fix it, I'm going to break it. I got all the tools. I got all the fancy dancy little widgets and what's-its. but I don't have the knowledge. I don't have the experience. You're not paying for the chemical when you pay somebody to come treat your house. You're paying for their expertise and their knowledge. So, I hate bed bugs. Oh, buddy. But I love to kill them.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Don't. I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.